Welcome to Bobby Top Adventures. I'm Bobby Top, and I got disappearance clearance for the weekend. All right, here it is, a rainy Easter weekend. And so I am taking a trip out here to Lake Sylvia State Park to get some fishing in. I did not take the bike. It wouldn't have been worth it with regards to the ride. It's all highway till you get to Montesano and then you're in the park. So I wanted to get some fishing in. We had a bunch of snow up in the Cascades over the weekend, so I wasn't going to risk going up there and hitting snow again. So here I am, standing in the rain fishing. It's supposed to rain. It's just sprinkling right now, but it's supposed to rain all weekend. So having the bike would have just been misery anyway. So I rode up. I got a campsite. It's too early to check in. I want to get some fishing in first. So I'm here. I am going to be mic'd up for this one. So we'll see if this works, see if this is a little bit more entertaining for y'all. Watching me fish isn't going to be because I suck at fishing, but I just want to let you know where I'm at and what this weekend's going to be. So I brought the tarp again. I had the bike packed. I was ready to go. It was going to be a motorcycle trip, but the forecast didn't let up, and now it's starting to come down a little bit more. But it just seemed miserable, and it would have seemed like, I was just gonna ride in the rain just for content or something like that. But why be miserable? So still get the camping stuff. I got some food to cook over the fire if I can get a fire going, all that good stuff. So Lake Sylvia State Park is small. I've only been here once, and that was just a day use over there swimming type of thing. So I do got a campsite reserved for when I check in here in a few hours. Then we'll get set up. Positive thing about the truck is that my preferred camping method is in a hammock, but I don't take it on the bike anymore just because it takes up space, because I hardly ever have a spot to put it. So hopefully my campsite will have a spot that I can hammock camp, so that's good, because I just keep it in the truck now. So and if not, I'll be on the ground on the tarp. That's either way, it's fine. Be nice to be in a hammock though. That's it for now. We'll try to catch some lunch here. Okay, I'll let that soak for a little bit. I know this is fun to watch. Not a fish, just preventing a snag. Okay, just got a little spinner. I don't know if you can see it. I like the action of this spinner. You can see it coming a mile away. Don't get hung up. Okay, I just missed it. I just missed a branch sticking out. That was awesome. Just missed it. That's fun. Fish jumped right there where I was just fishing to. All right, looks like we're going left again. What the heck? There are bubbles galore coming right. That's going to be moving fast. Oh, otters. Come on, otter, where'd you go? There's the bubbles. He's coming up. So I was jiggling. I'm just holding my whole stand here. I thought that's what I saw when I saw the bubbles, man. There he is. Figured it was. I do like seeing the otters, but they eat all the fish. So, with him swimming around, is that a good thing? Does that mean that the fish are out? Or is he just going from place to place? Just the fact that he went through here, the fish are hiding. So I'll have to give him a minute too, probably. See how far out I can get it on this one. There you go. A little better. I don't want to jinx myself by saying I can't believe I haven't snagged yet. But I haven't snagged yet. Got the sprinkles. Not a bite. Not likely going to be a bite. I can't keep the dang smile off my face. I mean, we saw an otter, which is cool. I'm hearing them all fishing. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. So I did look online at my campsite, and it looks like I'm right on the lake, so I should be able to fish also from my actual campsite. Okay, so I'm going to pack it up from this spot. It's obviously dead other than the otter. I'm going to keep my spinner on there. Across the lake, there is a boardwalk over there. Kind of want to check it out. Got the boardwalk. Pretty nice. You can hear the water coming down off the dam over there. We're going to get to that. Alright, so we made it. This is the other side. The lake is just right on the other side of that. And let's see if I can get down further, because that is quite a decent drop. I wonder if we can see it. So let's check it out. So I don't know. I don't like to go off trail. All right, so you can see the trail. It's very accessible. This is gravelly, but it's doable for that. This is not. And the hard part is I don't know if it's. You don't want to stray off trail. It looks pretty. No, it's not an official trail. It's just people coming up here doing this. So I'm not going to go any further. But I am, however, going to turn my camera around at me as I go back down that little muddy spot. Catch my face in case I eat it, because I'm wearing these stupid rubber boots that are not designed for hiking by any means. Oh, this is slick. I might just have to run down it. Let's go. Nailed it. Alright, so I've come to an offshoot. It is an actual trail, so I'm going to try it. It is the Creekside Trail, so I wonder if it goes down to the creek. We'll see if my boots can handle this one, but don't think it'll be a problem. Cliffs going right over the ridge, left side and right side. I like this trail. I'm glad I kept going a little bit more. Little trail, you can see it behind me, so you can tell I came downhill, but yeah, this is right at the stream. So I'm gonna have me some lunch right here. Get some water. So I moved up. I'm still got my spinnerbait on here, so we'll see how that works. But I am right above the dam. So hopefully the noise isn't too loud, but Let's see what we can do here without getting up in these trees. Okay. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh! And save the bait too. I don't know how I got it out of there. Let's go. Oh. He had one, got off. I'm here at my campsite. Not what I expected. It's all gravel, which is fine. But it all slopes downhill, so there's awesomeness there. I got one little spot. It still slopes, but I think the most level part here's gonna be this. Let that go out there. I'm gonna put the bell on it because it's 5 o'clock. You get a fire going and get some dinner on. It's not gonna be fish, apparently. Something's hitting it. Yep, something's hitting it. Oh! Fish on! Oh, looks like I am having fish for dinner. Yeah, boy! Come on. Come on up. Haha! Fish on. Oh, look at that. Come here, buddy. Good job. Oh, you took that thing. Oh, it swallowed. Look at that. Keeping sound. Oh, sinking. There we go. That's gonna be good to eat. Yes, 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 yes. Nice one fire. Give me some coals for my fish. Hole in the water. Now we're talking. There. Now I got a little rocket stove going right there. Pretty looking fish, look at that. I mean, just look at that. It's awesome. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh my God. That is a huge fish. Oh my God. Can you see it? Oh my God. Let me see if I can entice him a little bit. But it's 2 feet. Easy. 2 feet. All right, one cast, but I gotta flip the fish. I'm gonna burn it. I'm gonna burn my dinner. Trying to get this other guy. All right, let's get back to this awesomeness. Oh, look at that. Oh, beautiful. Oh, crispy tail. Don't burn the tail. Don't burn the tail. That's the good stuff. Okay. Oh, man. I didn't want to burn the tail. Alright, that flushed right off. Season that a little bit. You guys are done. Okay, did I set this so you can see this? But the reflectix, it goes in there. Helps keep it warm while I'm waiting on the rest of the food. The geese. Oh man, everything's drenched. Okay. Oh, this fish looks good. Oh man. Oh my seat had a puddle in it. Gosh. Well, I'm gonna get some more firewood to get this going. Back up to actual campfire. And then I'll get something to throw on my chair so I can actually sit down and enjoy my... I gotta have some though. Oh, look at that, just fall right off. The bones are just staying in there. Oh, look at that. And the bones just come right off. Boom. We can cook you. That's fine. Oh, I just nudged it. Here's the bones. Tail. The tail's crispy, man. Nice and crispy. It's good stuff. Oh, that's so good. All right, let's go get some more wood and something to sit on. Tusk bag. Yeah. Boom. Okay. All right, well, that's just all smoke for right now. I'll fix that in a minute. Okay. I think this already got wet. I shouldn't have set it out there yet. It was already in the rain. I think I just need to come to the... Oh yeah, my ass is wet. It's all good. All right. Oh, this fish is awesome. Fresh out the lake. Literally right there. Boom. Got all the wet stuff put away. I mean, everything's drenched. What do you expect? I don't know. I'm outside in the rain. I wonder why everything got wet. Alright, dinner was good. Got the fire back going. I can feel the heat from here. Now, fishy jumpy. I want to see him hit this thing. Maybe this will dry off a little bit with the fire. This is it. Alright, there's a couple things I have left to do while I still got coals. One is heat up some water. Oh, that's right in the coals. Perfect. And I've always wanted to do this, so I've got some t-shirt stuff that I cut up, a tin, put a staple hole through it, and I'm going to make some char. Awesome fire starter. So let's see where can I put it where I can. There we go. right in the coals. All right, so heating up the water to put in my Nalgene bottle, throw it in the sleeping bag to have a little heated sleeping bag in the for the first few hours of the night. It comes in. Yes, it opened. Oh, look at that though. It's charred. That's perfect. All right. Well, I'm sure you probably can't see me right now, but I got the fishing gear packed up. I got my dry clothes ready for me in the tarp. So I'm going to call it a night, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Stir this up here and make sure it's all out. See you in the morning.